Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Tech Chimp. Today, we're going to talk about how to open a cPanel in Hostinger, so let's start. Open the hosting website in any web browser. Now click on the login button. If you have an email and password, then enter them here. Otherwise, you can log in through Google or Facebook. Scroll down, and you will see a hosting option. Click on the Manage button in front of this. So here you can see that the hosting panel has been opened. You can manage your website from this cPanel. Here, we have all the tools to manage our website, like hosting, performance, security, email domains, a website, a file manager, and databases. Click on File Manager. Now click on the public HTML folder. In this location, all the website folders and files are being stored. Click on Databases. Here, we manage our databases for our website. So guys, you can also open a cPanel on a hosting website like this. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.